So this is SPFx mailroom. Basically, we took the pain of document classification and handed it to an AI right inside SharePoint and Teams. Honestly, the situation today is pretty bad. Documents pile up, people classify things manually, workflows are scattered everywhere, and every single department rebuilds the same thing from scratch. It's exhausting. We're going after 3 categories: best SharePoint AI use, most innovative SPFx, best mobile. And honestly, we think this one covers all 3. The idea is simple. Documents come in, the AI does the heavy lifting, a human just confirms. One app, one deployment, works across all your sites and departments. This is the slide for the C-suite. You go from 3 to 5 documents an hour to 50 plus. Error rates drop dramatically, and you stop rebuilding the same setup in every department. The ROI is pretty obvious. Everything provisions itself on deploy. Lists, libraries, the web part, all of it. You don't touch anything. It just works on SharePoint and Teams. Same app, same code. SharePoint, Teams Desktop, Teams Mobile. Wherever your users are, the experience is identical. No extra portal, nothing to install separately. Document lands in the library, Logic App fires, the AI agent classifies it, the mailroom gets pre-filled. User opens it, sees the suggestion, says yes, or picks something else. That's really it. Under the hood, it's clean. Logic App orchestrates, Foundry agent classifies using Azure Search, everything lands back in SharePoint. Pure Microsoft identity, no secrets floating around anywhere. Documents can come in 3 ways: from the app, automatically from a mailbox, or straight from a scanner. That last one always gets a reaction in demos. One pipeline, whatever the source. The interface is genuinely rich. Tasks, projects, deadlines, history, all tabbed. The AI pre-fills everything, the user just validates, and they can always override. The human is always in control. This is the part I really like. You just remap 3 words: client, project, document, and suddenly the same app works for marketing, legal, real estate, whatever. One codebase, truly reusable. And it's not a demo build. Auto-provisioning, environment-aware, theme support, live updates. This is a real production foundation. All right, let's actually show it. Marketing and legal, same app, 2 totally different scenarios. Let's go. Here we have an instance of mailroom configured for a marketing department with document types and tags tailored specifically to that team. When we open the document types, we can see the full list of available categories, each associated with colors to keep the interface intuitive and easy to navigate. The workspace is organized into several tables that help teams manage documents throughout their lifecycle. The first table shows the documents assigned directly to me because I am responsible for those projects and cases. We also have additional views such as My Team, All Documents, History, and Need Attention. The Need Attention view highlights documents that have not been modified for more than 4 hours, ensuring that nothing critical is overlooked. In the All Documents view, we can see different stages such as awaiting validation and awaiting deadline, along with the calendar of deadlines associated with each document. In this case, I do not currently have documents assigned to me, but if we switch to the global view, we can see several documents with different levels of priority and deadlines. Let's now look at a concrete example in the legal department. Just like the marketing department, the legal department has its own specific document types and tags tailored to its workflows. It also includes predefined deadline types, locations where deadlines may occur, and the rooms associated with those locations, for example, when deadlines happen in specific courts or offices. If we open the All Documents view, we can see several documents that are approaching their deadlines. The History view shows documents that have already been validated and processed. Let's now add a new document to the system. We upload a document called Turner Logistics Invoice. As soon as the document is added, it automatically appears in a new stage called Awaiting AI. When we open it, we can see the document preview on the left and the classification tools on the right. At this stage, the AI analyzes the document and automatically extracts the relevant information. After a few seconds, the AI completes its processing. The document moves from the Awaiting AI stage to the Awaiting Deadline stage. When we open the classification details, we can see that the AI has correctly identified the document type as an invoice and associated it with the correct client case. In this example, the system correctly detected Turner Logistics as the related case. We can now add a deadline to the document. We simply select one of the predefined deadlines, for example, a payment deadline. We assign a co-responsible person, choose the deadline date, and define the location if necessary. Once the information is saved, the document moves to the validation stage. The document now appears in the history table, indicating that the validation process is complete. Finally, we verify that the document has been correctly classified in the file structure. A new folder has been automatically created for Turner Logistics. And inside that folder, we can see the invoice, one app, works everywhere, AI suggests and humans validate, multiple ways to get documents in, built on pure Microsoft stack. It's production ready and honestly pretty fun to use.